Ne. How far now?
Nana, I want to talk to you about something.
Yes, sir. We need your help. We need to help us with something.
Nana, what do we want?
What is it? Why can't you people just leave me alone? Eh?
What is it now? Did anybody provoke you?
Yes, all of you have offended me.
How did we offend you now?
You want to know? You want to know, Abi? Why is that in this house? Every time it is Norma, do this, Norma, do that. Norma, please do this for me. Norma, please do that for me. Nobody ever cares about how Norma feels. Why is it like that?
No, we don't have the answer to that question.
Okay, since you people don't have the answer to the question, now you people should just leave me alone. Please now.
Norma, before we leave here, please, we need you to help us do one last thing.
Yes, please, just help us do this one. Actually, after this one, we'll not disturb you.
Yes.
If we say we'll go and find the answer to the question you're asking us.
Correct.
Eh?
Maybe you should also proceed on leave from your gate man's work.
Okay, who I go and stay for the gate?
I'll speak with the estate, the chairman of the estate security to help me get a replacement until you return.
Hi.
Yeah, it's important so you can have a proper rest.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Okay, well, I talk, I be good man. Well, okay, see, policy, only what? Everything where I good, what you come your portion. Well, I tell her, Ogana, I afraid this prayer, everything good. That's why I would come here alive. In fact, you're alive. I see you, I see good. I see you, I see good.
Did you receive the gifts that I sent you? Very well. Did you like them?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Okay. I hope it made you happy.
It's not enough to make me happy, but...
Oh, okay. So what do you want me to do to make you happy? Because I want you to be happy so you can extend your happiness to others.
Okay. See, I want handbags, shoes, sneakers, and Brazilian hair. Then I also want sandals. I also want 30,000 naira to change my wardrobe.
You there?
Mohammed!
What happened?
What is it?
Why they shout? I know do a guy, they go.
Why?
Since I come this house, say make I come rest, do one for the leave. I know see I'm rest. Enjoyment where I come, I know see I'm enjoy. Now so work I they work. In fact, even when I never collect them for leave, I know they do one for this kind of work. See, I don't do it again. No lie.
Mohammed, wait. Okay, don't go today. Maybe after tomorrow you will go.
I say no. I know do one for the leave. I'm leaving.
Mohammed.